Hi ladies, so today we're going to be getting into a new wig that I have, and Beauty Forever were kind enough to send me a gorgeous V-part wig. So let's open her up and we're going to do my hair. So let's open this up and ooh, hey, let's get this wig out and we're going to get it on my head together. So first of all, they've given me a couple of things here. So I have, what is this? I believe that this is one of those bands. Oh, and it actually has some lace there, can you see? So this is one of those bands that you put on, the grip kind of bands, and it stops your wig from sliding back or sliding off. I've never actually tried one of these, so that's kind of interesting. And it's good that it does have the lace there, so it kind of disguises the band. You don't have to have the black lace going across your forehead, so that's good. And there's also this little purple bag with some goodies. So there's a mascara in there, a pair of lashes, a wig cap, and also what looks like the bands to the melt bands to melt your lace. So that's nice. Thank you, Beauty Forever. Let's get into the hair. It says on the package that this is Brazilian hair, and it also says no gel, no glue, V-part wig. We're going to test it out for ourselves. This is long. Okay, she's long. She is 24 inches. I will be cutting this, but for right now, I'm going to leave it as it is for this video, but I am going to cut this. I'm 5'1", and like seriously, it's way too long for me personally, but let me just brush her out a little bit and put this on my head. So you're going to see it straight out of the box and on my head. This is 24 inches, like I said. It's a natural straight V-part wig, and we have 2 combs here, 2 more at the top, and we have another one at the back for the crown. And we also have 2 larger combs there to really make it even more snug and secure, that will go in at the sides behind your leave out at the side. And there is another comb at the bottom, so that will go in right there at the nape. And there are also 2 adjustable straps on either side. You're able to adjust and put them in where suits you best. I personally am just going to leave these where they are. This is how the unit looks inside fully, so you're able to really see it. And yeah, I'm interested to try this V-part wig. I have made my own V-part wigs with regular lace fronts. I've just snipped it at the front and it's become a DIY V-part wig. So to wear an actual V-part wig will be quite good. So let's see how this looks. I'm ready to see how this actually looks on. I'm just going to get my leave out and I'm going to put it into a bun at the top. Yay! This should be my thumbnail. All right, let's get this thing on. Let's get her on now. Oh, and I can also see that this is really thin, so hopefully it won't be bumpy and it will blend quite well. Oh, I like this. So you can really tailor the amount of leave out that you want, so that is perfect. So I think I'm first going to clip this clip in. Let's put this clip in here. I've just put one of the clips in here. Now I'm going to do the second one on this side. We're going to clip that in. Wait. Okay, that's him. And now we're going to go over onto this side. I'm going to do the one at the back first. And then closer to the front. Okay, they're in. And then we had the Secura ones. I'm going to put that right under. Mine are going right behind my ears. And let's do the other side. And now I'm going to put in the clip right at the back. So we put that under. And yeah. Wow, okay, perfect. So now all we really need to do, let me take out the bits behind my ear. I blow dried and straightened my hair very, very lightly. I do not want to get heat damage ever again. When I prepared my leave out for this, I actually stretched my hair the night before, and then I did a quick light blow dry. Well, really, I stretched my hair and then I blow dried, and then I went over it like maybe 2 times on 230. So that's what I did to get my hair this straight. So let's take out my leave out. I could bring this forward a little bit more. I think it's a bit better how I've done it now. First things first, a cute hairstyle would be if you've done this and then you could make it like put your hair back and then you could pin it here at the back, and then you could make that into a plait. Does that make sense? I have done that hairstyle before with my DIY ones, but this is a lot better because this part's a lot thinner, it's a lot flatter, and it just lays it better. So we're just sectioning my leave out. So let's blend my hair into, oh, I'm having a little bit of shedding here. Just a little bit, but I didn't comb out the hair properly, so that is probably why. So now we're just going to blend. Yeah, the shedding's kind of stopped now. I usually use oil on my leave out. I'll use like a Moroccan oil, but I don't want to put the oil yet because I can see some parts of my leave out that I need to go over. So she's looking good, and this is a 5-minute hairstyle. I mean, I was talking and trying to show you things, but this is definitely a very quick look, and it's much quicker for me to put this on than it is for me to put on my DIY one. Now you could also put your hair behind your ears and that looks even more natural. Only because my leave out, I haven't done it, you know, to perfection yet. What do you ladies think? You can see my edges. I could definitely do with maybe putting some gel or going over a bit more, but I'm not going to do that right now. This is the finished look, and I'll just spin around for you as well, so you can see how it looks at the back. Now I'm going to stand up and really try to show you the length of this unit. You can see it's right at the top of my bottom, and if I straighten it, it's in it. Okay, so this is long, but I am 5'1". But yeah, what do you ladies think about this? So easy to style. This is by Beauty Forever Hair. This is a 24-inch natural straight V-part wig, and I'm loving it. Very, very easy to put on, and a quick, more natural looking alternative to lace front wigs and extensions. I'm loving this, and I hope you ladies are loving this too. Yeah, okay, she's ready to go out here and, you know, see what I can do. But on that note, ladies, I'm going to love you and leave you here. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this wig. All of the information is in the description box, and all of the discount information is in the description box, and the link to this direct V-part wig is also in the description box as well, so check that out. And another thing I forgot to mention that I love about these V-part wigs, can change the placement of the parting and it's still going to look natural because you have your own hairline out. So very, very good, and I love that about it. It's just a very quick alternative to wearing clip-in extensions or to wearing lace front wigs. It's just as quick, if not quicker actually. So it's probably one of the fastest add-on hair alternatives that there is out there. So yes, let me know in the comments what you ladies think about this wig, and if you would wear a V-part wig, let me know. I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I'll see you in the next video.